Hello, my name is Enrico. I want to reading writing tax 1 and tax 2. Tax 1. Temporary migrant works in 4 countries 2003 and 2006. The table presents data on temporary migrant workers in Australia, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, and the United States for the years 2003 and 2006, as well as the proportion of these workers per 1,000 people in 2006. All four countries experienced growth in temporary migrant worker number between 2003 and 2006. The United States maintained the highest absolute number of temporary workers in both years, increasing for 100,077 to 100,078. However, the United Kingdom demonstrates the most substantial growth, nearly doubling its figure from 100,037 to 200,066. Australia saw moderate growth from 100,552 to 2,090, while New Zealand had the smallest absolute increase from 65,000 to 87,000. Interestingly, despite having the lowest absolute number of temporary migrant workers, New Zealand had the highest proportion per 1,000 people in 2006 at 21.1, significantly higher than Australia's 10.10. In contrast, the United Kingdom and the United States had much lower proportion at 4.4 and 243.3 per 1,000 people respectively, indication that temporary migrant workers represented a smaller fraction of their population despite higher absolute numbers. Tax 2. Extinction, natural process or preventable tragedy. While extinction has certainly been a part of Earth's natural history, as evidenced by the dinosaurs' disappearance, I strongly disagree with the notion that we should simply accept all contemporary species extinctions as inevitable natural process. There are compelling ethical, ecological, and practical reasons to prevent the extinction of endangered species whenever possible. Firstly, today extinction crisis differs fundamentally from prehistoric extinctions. The current rate of species loss is estimated to be 100 to 1,000 times higher than natural background rates, primarily driven by human activities like habitat destruction, pollution, overexploitation, and climate change. Unlike the dinosaurs, was extinction result from a catastrophic natural event, modern species threats directly like to human behavior. This creates a moral responsibility to mitigate or impact. Pollinator decisions, for instance, threaten crop production essential for human food security. Maintaining diverse ecosystem provides resilience against disease outbreaks, natural disasters, and climate change impact. From a practical standpoint, preventing extinction often benefit humanity. Countless medicines, including many cancer treatments, derive from plant and animal compounds. Species like the Pacific yew tree, source of the anti-cancer drug Taxol, remain as potential cures for human disease. While conservation effort require resource, the value of preserving biodiversity extend beyond economic calculation. By working to prevent human-caused extinction, we acknowledge our responsibility as steward of the planet and preserve the intricate web of life that supports all species, including our own. Thank you.